Hi everyone, my name's Gabby, and if there's one thing I learned in my years of being a car enthusiast, it's the fact that cars keep getting bigger and headlights keep getting brighter. Today's video though, I'm going to explain a feature that can make you a better person. On the road at least. It's auto high beams, let's get into it. So in today's video, I'm going to explain how it works and how you can easily turn on or off this function. Now as you can see, today we have an entry model Hyundai Elantra, and this vehicle already has bright white LEDs. They're fantastic for driver visibility, especially if you are someone who lives in a rural area, except if you're on the receiving end of high beams, especially LEDs, they can sting. So let me show you how our automatic high beams work and how you can turn this function on or off. I'll also quickly explain how the traditional high beam approach works and of course how this is different. So first things first, lighting stock, if you pull it towards you as the driver, you can quickly flash on and off your high beams. This is great for warning other drivers up ahead and, maybe if there's cops ahead, whatever it may be, danger. All right, now when you push the lighting stock forwards, this will turn your high beams on indefinitely. Now this is a mistake a lot of drivers leave on. I can't tell you how many times I've been on the receiving end of bright white LEDs. People will turn them on, forget that their high beams are on, and then just blind everybody on the road. Here's how you can change that though to be automatic high beams. So at the very edge of your light stock, you'll see our controls for the headlamp system. There's full LEDs, there's our daytime running lights, and then there's auto. You're gonna wanna leave it on the auto segment. Hopefully we can get a good shot of it. You can see right over there. Kia and Hyundai vehicles also do a great job of showing you on the gauge cluster what lighting sequence you have picked. So you can see as I turn the tip, it'll show me what I'm currently selected on. So right back to auto, now I'm going to push my light stock forwards. Once I've done this, we have a new icon on our gauge cluster. It looks like our high beam light, except it is in white right now with auto written underneath. Now, once the vehicle detects that it's completely dark outside and there's no other vehicle's headlamps present, it'll turn on our high beams to give me better visibility as a driver. However, if I'm going up a hill and another driver starts approaching, my vehicle will shut off its high beams and turn them right back on when it's clear to do so. So it takes the thinking out of your high beam operation, makes you a better person, on the road at least, and just saves some time. Do you guys use your automatic high beams? Let us know in the comments, and if you want to know more about the features on your Kia and Hyundai vehicles, make sure you follow along and subscribe to the Kia Hyundai channel. We post videos each and every single day on all things Kia and Hyundai. Couldn't have guessed it. Bye you guys, thanks for watching.